Tired of fumbling for your keys, especially when your hands are full? This keyless entry door keypad for your Ford F150, F250, Escape, or Expedition might just be the solution you've been looking for. It's designed to fit a wide range of models from the late 90s, all the way up to 2014, and even the Heritage 2004. The fitment is for the front left door, which is pretty standard. Now, the product description mentions noise complementary operation and consistent performance, which are usually terms you'd associate with brake pads, not keypads. That's a bit of a head-scratcher and likely a copy-paste error in the listing, but let's focus on what this keypad actually does. It's a keyless entry pad, meaning you can program a code to unlock your doors. This is incredibly convenient, especially if you have multiple drivers or just want to leave your keys inside while you run a quick errand. The part numbers listed: KB3Z14A626A, KB3Z14A626B, and 7L-Z14A626BA suggest it's a genuine or at least a well-supported aftermarket part. Installation is usually straightforward for these types of components, often involving removing the interior door panel and connecting a few wires. While the listing doesn't go into installation details, it's generally a DIY-friendly upgrade for many Ford owners. The real benefit here is the added security and convenience. Imagine being able to lock or unlock your truck without ever touching your keys. This is fantastic for those rainy days, or when you're carrying groceries, tools, or even a sleeping child. The peace of mind knowing you can get in quickly and securely is a big plus. While the noise complementary and consistent performance descriptions are a bit odd for this product, the core function of a reliable keyless entry system is what truly matters, and this keypad aims to deliver just that. It's a simple upgrade that can significantly enhance your daily driving experience. Ultimately, if you own one of the compatible Ford vehicles and are looking for a way to modernize your entry system, this keyless entry keypad is a solid option to consider. It offers a practical solution to a common annoyance, making getting in and out of your vehicle a breeze.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.